In this video, we will learn to install SSH Server on Ubuntu. In order to install, we first need to log into Ubuntu and need to open up terminal window. Before installation, it is better to update and upgrade first. We will use command sudo apt update followed by typing your sudo password. After the update is complete, we can install SSH Server with command sudo apt install open ssh-server. After the installation is complete, start the SSH server with the command sudo systemcontrol start sshd. Now we have our SSH server started. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.